If u and v are the two unit vectors inclined at an angle alpha and x is a unit vector bisecting the angle between them, then express x in terms of the given parameter. Here they have given that u and v are two unit vectors. Keep in mind that these are unit vectors. So let's say that this is u and at an angle alpha the other vector is vector v. Angle is alpha in between them. Now the angle bisector, as they are saying here, what we see that the magnitude of u and the magnitude of v both are equal to 1 because they are unit vectors. So what will be the resultant? The resultant will be, if you complete the parallelogram, then the diagonal passing like this will be the resultant. So let this be r. So what is resultant? The resultant, it is nothing but vector u plus vector v. But the magnitude of resultant may not be equal to 1. As you are able to see that, how can it be 1? So what is the magnitude of resultant? The magnitude of resultant is basically the length of the diagonal of the parallelogram. Now which parallelogram? The parallelogram formed by these two vectors u and v as adjacent sides. Then, as per the law of addition of vectors, what is r? R is nothing but root over u square plus v square plus 2uv cos of the angle between them. Here the angle between them they have indicated as alpha. Is it not? The angle between them is alpha. Now u and v both are 1. So u square is basically 1. V square is also 1. 2 times u into v. Here u and v represents the magnitude. So 2 into 1 multiplied by cos alpha. So what we get as the magnitude of r as root over 2 plus 2 cos alpha. So 2 common, 1 plus cos alpha. This 1 plus cos alpha we can write it as 2 cos square alpha by 2. So what we get? It will be 2 cos of this half angle alpha by 2. Now what is our job? Our job is to represent x in terms of the given parameter. Now what is x? X is the unit vector along r. X is the unit vector along r. How do I know that it is along r? Because as these two vectors, vector u and vector v are same. So as they are same, so we can say that this will be the angle bisector. Is it not? Alpha by 2, and this will be also alpha by 2. It will exactly bisect the angle in two equal parts. So x is the unit vector along that particular resultant. Then what is the unit vector along a particular resultant? Unit vector is equal to the vector r divided by the magnitude of r. Now what is vector r? Vector r is u plus v. And what is magnitude of r? Magnitude of r is nothing but 2 times cos of alpha by 2. So I hope that you understood that how do we represent this x. X is the unit vector along the direction of this r as u plus v divided by 2 cos alpha. That is the solution.